Understanding, grab your gear bag, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're diving into the phrase, grab your gear bag. It's a simple yet practical expression that you might encounter in various contexts. Let's explore its meaning, usage, and some examples to help you understand how to use it in real-life situations. Stay tuned. The phrase, grab your gear bag, consists of three main parts. Let's break it down. Grab. This verb suggests quickly taking or picking up something. It implies urgency or prompt action. Your. This possessive adjective indicates that the gear bag belongs to the person being addressed. Gear bag. This compound noun refers to a bag that contains equipment or items needed for a specific activity. The contents of a gear bag can vary greatly depending on the context, such as sports equipment, photography gear, or camping supplies. This expression is commonly used in situations where there's a need to move quickly or prepare for an activity. Here are some contexts where grab your gear bag might be used. Sports. A coach might tell players to grab your gear bag as they prepare to leave for a match. Outdoor activities. Before a hiking or camping trip, someone might say, grab your gear bag, to ensure everyone has their necessary equipment. Emergencies. In urgent situations, you might hear, grab your gear bag, as a way to quickly gather essential items before evacuating. To help you better understand, here are some example sentences. We're late for the game, grab your gear bag and let's go. The weather is perfect for photography. Grab your gear bag, and we'll head out to capture some shots. Emergency drills start in 5 minutes. Grab your gear bag with your safety equipment. The phrase, grab your gear bag, is all about preparation and action. It's a reminder to quickly gather your belongings and get ready for what's next, whether it's an adventure, a challenge, or an emergency. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your English conversations. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.